What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about some settings inside samples that you can get some serious sauce with. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have this little beat here. I have this sample here. When I double click it, there's a lot of stuff in this little menu that you can do that you may not know about. All right, so there's a pre-computed effects area here. It has this wrench icon and this other little paintbrush icon type thing here. So if you click that paintbrush, it adds a whole bunch more new knobs you can mess with, all right? So you have a boost knob. This boosts the volume, boosts the gain of the sample. You have an EQ knob. Left cuts it, right adds to the EQ. It's a very simple EQ knob. And then you have a RM mix, which adds a sine modulation. And then you got the modulation frequency, which will modulate the actual frequency of the sine. And then you got yourself a filter cutoff, resonance, and then you have reverb down here. So A reverb is going to be a lot closer and tighter reverb, and then B reverb will be, further away, more bigger room kind of sounding reverb. And you got your stereo delay here, and then we have a pitch bend wheel. Okay, so let's mess with some of these effects. We're just gonna solo the melody so we can really hear it, and then we'll hear how it sounds with the drums. As you can see here, if I boost it, it can really destroy the waveform. So be careful with that. You can add clipping at 0 dB as well. Now we'll see how the EQ sounds. We'll take it left and then right. So you can get some interesting sauce with that as well. Let's see how the sine wave modulation sounds. So you can get some interesting vibes with that as well. And then let's mess with the cutoff and the resonance. Okay, I think that sounds good. Now let's see how the reverb sounds. Let's try A reverb. And now we can mess with the delay. All right, dope. I think that sounds pretty good. Now let's see how it all sounds with the drums. So definitely a vibe. Do not be sleeping on those pre-computed effects. Switch between both of those and you can get some serious sauce in your beats. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.